Welcome to session number 31 of the word powered by DZ. We are in the discussion of how we are going to insult our enemies, and there are vocabulary which are related to it. We are going to discuss about it. But first and important thing is we are going to understand how to make a noun, how to make an adjective, and how to make a verb, because this is the way you can use the vocabulary in a right direction. For example, if you want to make a noun, you have to add as a suffix tude, for example magnitude, then ness, for example sweetness, essence, ism, then ity and ion. So there are ism, ity, ion. This suffix will make the word as a noun. Then adjective, in adjective we have two o, ori and ous, then al, ent and ic, and for verb we are adding suffix like izd. So we are going to repeat this thing every time because it will help you develop your vocabulary well, and you can use the vocabulary in the right direction. Next, no reverence. The iconoclastic sneers at our belief. So if somebody is not agree with your belief, they say, oh, this is just a superstition or a value or a norms or tradition or a custom. For example, in a office the situation or a procedure of doing something is, let's say, according to one algorithm, and somebody say, no, I don't agree with it, it is better to do in a this way. So he is actually breaking your tradition, he is actually breaking your custom, he is actually breaking your belief. So that person is known as iconoclastic. So adolescent is not an iconoclastic, because adolescent has taking the objection for certain things, but that objection is come out from his immature nature. So that is called adolescent. But iconoclast is not, of course, restricted to religion. Normally iconoclasts are the person who is going to against the rituals of the religion, but you can use the iconoclast for any other reason if somebody is disagree with the common norms. Next, is there a god? So atheist, it is made from two words, a and theist. A means no and theist means god. So if somebody believe there is no god, then he is known as atheist. Similar word like atheism, agnotism. Now atheism believes that there is no god and God is unknowable. Agnostic does not deny the existence of a deity. They say may or may not. They are not giving any certainty. Their answer is not unequivocal. But atheism, they simply say there is no God. So agnostic came from the Greek root gnostic, Gnostic. Gnostic means to know. Agnostic, a means not, agnostic means known, so not known. In a similar manner, diagnostic, it is coming from the Greek word gnosis means knowledge, and dia, die means through, and gnostic means knowledge. So knowing through examination, that is known as diagnostic. And diagnostic is normally used in academia as a diagnostic test. So the teacher want to know what is your present level of knowledge. To check your present level of knowledge, the examiner is going to take the diagnostic test. So the examiner know where you are right now and how much they have to explain you so that you can reach to a certain position. So they are conducting a diagnostic test. Prognosis. Prognosis is knowing beforehand or predictions. So for example, if the doctor finds something in you and then they estimated that you are going to be like this after 1 month, then it is known as prognosis, because they know how your disease is progressing and how it will be after certain period of time, and therefore it is known as prognosis. The word of the prognosis is prognosticate is a verb, and prognostication, Tion, prognostication is a noun. So just adding some suffix like add, Tion, you can make many words, and you can make an appropriate word. In school we have a diagnostic test that we already know. Getting back to God, Theos means God is also found is monotheism. Mono means what? M-O-N-O. Mono means one, and theism means God. So when you believe there is only one God, then it is known as monotheism. Adjective is monotheistic. We are adding IC. So monotheistic. Polytheism. Now what is the meaning of poly? Poly means many. Theism means God. So when you believe there are many gods, it is known as polytheism. Pantheism. Now pan means all, and theism means God. So you believe that God is not in man's image, but a combination of all forces of the universe. And what is the noun? When you are adding ISM, it becomes a noun. So pantheism. And what is adjective? When you are adding TIC, it becomes an adjective. So pantheistic. Pantheistic means adjective. Theology, study of God and religion. Adjective, theologian. Now there are certain words and vocabulary which are related to sex and tongue. Lechery, lecerious, libidinous, or libido means pleasure. Lascivious, it means wantonness. Lubricious means slippery. Licentious, to be permitted, and illicit means not permitted. Lewd means wild, lustful pleasure. Normally these words are used to express sex, and that too in a little bit derogative manner. Libidinous, lasciviousness, lubricious, licentious, lewd, lecerious, lustful are the 7 adjectives that indicate sexual desire or an activity. The implication of these 7 words is more or less derogatory. Means negatively you can use. We add any double S, then it becomes noun. So of sex and each. Prurient. It's come from the Latin word purio, means for long. To each describes someone who is filled with great sexual desire. So if somebody is filled with great sexual desire, you can use prurient. 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 Under and over. For under also you can use hypo, and for mentioning the over you can also use the hypo, but there is a slight difference. When I say hypochondria, hypo means Greek word and chondria means cartilage of the breastbone. So hypochondriac is an adjective. Hypodermic, needle penetrates under the skin. Hypothyroid, person has underworking thyroid gland. Hypotension means, here hypo means under means low blood pressure, and hyper means over. Hypocritical, find faulty. Hyperthyroidism, overlooking the thyroid gland. Hypertension means high blood pressure, and hypotension means low blood pressure. Hyperacidity means high acidity. Hyperactive means overactive. Hypersensitive means oversensitive. Now based on these discussions, we are going to discuss about the prefix, root or suffix and its meaning, and from that how many words we can make. For example, icon means religious image, so we can make iconoclast. Klein means to break, so iconoclasm. A means no. Here A as a it's coming as a prefix. It means no, negative. So atheist, A means not believing in God. Theist means God. So atheist. Theos means God. So pantheist. Pantheist means God is everywhere. Gnotos. Gnotos means to know. So diagnostic. DIA. DIA means true and gnostic means to know. ISM. It's a noun suffix. So hyperthyroidism. So ISM is a word which is ending and therefore it is a noun. IC. IC makes the adjective. So hypochondriac. So AC is coming at the end. Gnosis means knowledge. So prognosis. Pro means before and gnosis means knowledge. If you know something before, then it is known as prognosis. Dia means true. So diagnosis means you know something through testing, through certain kind of examination, then it is known as a diagnosis. Pro means before, so prognosis. Ate is a verb suffix, so prognosticate. Prognosticate. ION is a noun suffix, so hypertension. ICIAN, one who is expert, so monotheism. Monos means one, so monotheism means who believes in one God. Polis means many, so polytheism means you believe in many gods. Pan means pantheism, means you believe in all God. Logos means study, so gynecology, so logy comes from the logos means study. AL is adjective suffix, so patriarchal, so AL. Prurient, to each or to long for a sexual desire, so prurient means a longing for a sexual desire. Hypos, hypos means under, hypocritical. Hyper means over, so hypertension. And IVE, hypersensitive. Next, here you have to match the words with the descriptions given in the green color in an italic. So for example, martinet, we know what is the meaning of martinet. Martinet means somebody who is a strict disciplinarian. So you have to find out strict disciplinarian. Here it is. Sycophancy. Sycophancy is somebody who is always flattering the rich and influential person. So you can say he is a bootlicking. Number 3, dilettantism. Dilettantism is a lack of seriousness in the art of professions. Dilante means somebody who is doing the work out of hobby and he has nothing to earn money out of that, making sculptures, making painting and composing music. So he is just doing out of his hobby. So he is known as dilettante. Tyro. Tyro means somebody who is just a beginner of something. So that is known as tyro. So 4. It means tyro. Virtuoso. Virtuoso, brilliant performer. For example, musical virtuoso means a brilliant performer of the music. Termagant, Harindan or Shrew, that is the meaning of termagant. Suvenism, excessive patriotism. If somebody says my thing is excellent compared to the others, I am good, my country is like that, nobody can dash with my country, something is over patriotism, is known as chauvinism. Patrimony. Patrimony means inheritance from the father. Patronymic. Patronymic means name from the father. And patriarch. Patriarch means the rule of the old. Rule of the old. Again, you have to match the words with the words which are giving in the green shape or green font. Particides. Particides means father killing, because patri pat means paternal, related to father, and side means to kill, so father killing. Alma mater, in school or college from which one has graduated, so that is called alma mater. Matricide, mat means mother and side means to kill, so mother killing is matricide. Fratricide, fratricide means killing of brother, so this is called 4. Uxoricide, uxoricide means uxori means wife, is wife killing. Monomaniacal, monomaniacal means somebody who is believing only one thing, it is known as monomaniacal. So this is 6. Trending on fixes obsessively with one thing, monomaniacal. Pyromaniacal, pyromaniacal means pyro means fire, so one who is obsessed with the fire is known as a pyromaniacal. Megalonomaniacal, megalomaniacal means somebody is obsessed with the grandeur. And dipsomaniacal means alcoholic. So there is something which is missing over here, but whatever my voice is concerned, that is perfect. Whatever I explain you in this particular exercise is perfect, but the words which is written over here is little bit different. Okay, now kleptomania. Kleptomania means shoplifting. So obsession's theory, or you can say shoplifting. Libidinous, libidinous, it means lewd. Atheism means disbelief in God. Agnosticism means skepticism about the God. Here skepticism means a person who may say God may be there or God may not be there, and for that we are using the word agnosticism. Polytheism means poly means many, theism means God. So one who believes there are many gods, and it is known as polytheism. Monotheism, who believes there is only one God. Pantheism, who believes that the God is not in a shape of human being, but the God is always in a form of different forms of the universe. So the God is there in sea, God is there in mountain, God is there in season. So it is known as a pantheism. Satriasis means abnormal male sexual needs, and hypochondriac means morbid anxiety about health. Next, hypotension means abnormally low blood pressure. So here hypo means low or under. Lascivious means sexually immoral. Hypertension, here hype means over. So high blood pressure. Agnostic means one who claims that ultimate reality is unknowable. Incendiarism, so incendiarism means malicious fire setting. Arson, fire setting for illegal gain. Iconoclasm means a scoffing at tradition. Prognosticate. Prognosticate means a forecast of probable developments. Diagnosis. Diagnose means a determination through examination or testing. What type, what nature, what cause, and what is the condition. And prognosis means a foretelling of probable developments. Next, prurience. Prurience means a sexual longing or curiosity. Satyromiac. Satyromiac means abnormal need for sexual intercourse by male. So male. Agoraphobia. Agoraphobia means fear of open spaces. Claustrophobia. Claustrophobia means fear of enclosed places. Acrophobia means fear of heights. Theologian. Theologian means student of religion. Lubricious. Lubricious means sexually immoral or lewd. Hypochondriacal. 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 Beset by anxiety about one's health. Hypotensive. Hypo means under. So 9. Having or referring to abnormally low blood pressure. Low blood pressure. Hypertensive. Hypertensive. High blood pressure. Pruritus. Pruritus. Itchy. Next, here we are talking about the words which are related to manias and phobias. So single or fixed obsession. Single or fixed obsessions means somebody is thinking only in one particular side. He is not monomania, or you can say fanatic. Monomania. Irresistible compulsion to set fires. So pyro means fire, so pyromania. Unceasing desire on the part of a woman for sexual intercourse. It is known as nymphomania. Obsessive desire to steal. It is means klepto. Klepto means to thief, to thieve something. So klepto means to steal something. So kleptomania. Delusion of grandeur. So megalomania means delusion of grandeur. Alcoholism. Alcoholism means dipsomania. Compulsion for sexual intercourse by a male. Whenever there is male, there is always start with S. So satyromania. So remember this word, satyro and mania. Satyromania means compulsions for sexual intercourse by a male. Dread of height, acro. So acrophobia. Dread of open spaces, agoraphobia. Dread or cramped quarters, claustrophobia. Write 7 adjectives or starting from L, more or less meaning sexually immoral. Write the objective starting with P. So lecherous means sexually immoral. Libidinous means sexually immoral. Lascivious means sexually immoral. Lubricious, sexually immoral. Licentious, sexually immoral. Lewd, sexually immoral. Lustful is sexually immoral. But prurient, Prurient, prurient is an adjective. Study of God means theology. Believe that the God is sum total of all natural forces, pantheism. Believe that there is no God, atheism. Believe that the God existence is unknowable, agnosticism. Belief in God, in one God, monotheism. Belief in many God, polytheism. morbid anxiety about one's health, so hypochondria, high blood pressure, hypertension, malicious fire setting, incendiarism, a felony of setting fire for economic gain, arson, sneering contempt for conventions or tradition, iconoclasm, a forecast of development of disease, prognosis, designed to discover cause or conditions, diagnosis, abnormally low blood pressure, hypotension, here not hype, but hypo means under, to forecast probably future development by examining present condition, prognosticate, to determine the nature of disease, condition or state of the examination, diagnosis. Doctor who is expert in recognizing the nature of disease or condition is diagnostician. Possessed or referring to high blood pressure is hypertensive. Possessed or referring to abnormally low blood pressure is known as hypotensive. One who studies religion is theologian. Now here there is one word and there are three options. You have to pick up the right word. Disciplinarian means martinet. Bookleater means sycophant. Scoffer at tradition, it is known as iconoclast. Disbeliever in God is atheist. Accomplished musician, virtuoso. Seer, flimsy means diaphanous, means something is transparent. Abusive woman means termagant. Murder of one's wife, uxoricide. Old man in ruling position, patriarch. Morbid compulsions of steal, kleptomania. Delusions of grandeur, megalomania. Lewd lustful, prurient. Belief in many god means polytheism. Setting fire for economic gain is known as incendiarism. Morbid fear of height means acrophobia. High blood pressure, high means hyper, so hypertension. Abnormal need for sexual intercourse by male, so satyriasis. Satyr, SATYRIASIS. So here we are ending the session number 31. See you again in session number 32. Bye bye.